Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is my Vlogmas day 25. I have totally enjoyed this project so much. With everything I've had going on this month of December, being in the hospital and just having issues, this blanket and these yarn balls were a bright spot in my day that I could look forward to. And so I just really have enjoyed this so much. Thank you so much, Terri, for doing the swap with me. I hope you enjoyed the project just as much as I did. I know that I will cherish this blanket. But I added in the blue ball from yesterday, from 24. So this is 1 through 24 rounds. And so today we get to open number 25 to see what color we get. And so I'm excited about that. Let's see what color it will be. Whoa, that's a pretty green. So it will be green, which is a brighter green that's really showing up on camera there. On camera it looks muted to me, but in real life it looks bright. So that will be the last of Terri's scrap balls to go in there. And I think this blanket is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to add this in, and then I'm going to start adding some of my own scrap balls. And then I won't be showing the blanket every day, but I will show it, weekly whenever I do show my finished projects and stuff. I'll show this blanket and the progress that I've made. I don't know how big I want the blanket to get yet, but I'm just going to keep on until I get to a length that I like. I don't know, but I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm excited about that, just to continue with that and to see how it grows. Okay, Terri also sent me this little package. And so I'm going to open this and see what it is. Thank you, Terri. Let's see. Oh, it's a coloring diary. The Time Garden Week at a Glance coloring diary. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love planners. I love calendars. I love that. But y'all, this is like awesome. Okay, so this is the front of the book. I don't see any other information about who it's by or anything like that. But I'll just hold that up there for you for a minute. Okay, so let me show you the inside. There's a place to put this book belongs to, and you can color those stars and stuff like that. If that tells you any information about the book. Okay. And then it's got some coloring pages, to doodle with gel pens or colored pencils. Oh, I love that. I love that layout. And it looks like it's got room that you could add like photos or different things for like art journal type things in there. Okay, and then the dates are not in there, so you can fill out for whatever month you're on. And whatever you have going on, you can fill that out and doodle and color on that page. This is so cool, Terri. I love this. So that's what each page is. Each page, one side looks like this, and the other side is some type of coloring page. I love this. This is right up my alley. I mean, Terri, you pegged me. Lots and lots of cool, oh man, lots of just cool pictures. Like every picture is different. Check that one out. That is really cool. So, yes, I love this. I can't wait to start in this. So, I'll be keeping track of something in this book and coloring these pages and doodling and stuff like that. I have a little zipper pouch of tons of colored pencils at my desk. And then at the back, after all that ends, it looks like it's some pages that tell time zones, which I can never keep straight. How'd you know I needed that? Different conversions and Roman numerals, and then a place to put websites, birthdays, telephone numbers, addresses, and then a place for notes. So this is really cool. I love this, Terry. And then it has this band to close it. I love this doodling calendar book. I love planners and just notebook. I love notebooks. I just love notebooks. I can fill a notebook up in no time. Thank you so much for this, Terry. I just love this dearly. Okay, so guess what I'll be doing this weekend? So anyway, guys, I thank you for following along with my Vlogmas and all my health issues that I've been having going on this month. But you know, I really, truly, truly appreciate all your kind words, your prayers, your thoughts. You are some of the sweetest people ever, and I totally appreciate you all. I feel very blessed to have you in my life. And so, just thank you. Thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. Each and every one of you means a lot to me. So, I hope that you will come along with me into 2021, and let's see what adventures happen and what we have going on there. And I look forward to it. I look forward to getting to know each one of you better and sharing my projects with you. And we will see you all again very soon. Thanks, guys.